If you've been blessed to be on this journey to try to learn trading, then I don't want you to dwindle away. You really just need to get the discipline that it takes to be focused. Now, I want to share something with you that has really stuck with me that I recently read. It said, procrastination is the arrogant assumption that God owes you another opportunity to do the thing he gave you enough time to do. I want you to think about that for a second. Let it sit in and realize that we procrastinate a lot. So I want you to find discipline. I want you to practice that. You need to find the strength to, number one, you need to stop scrolling endlessly through YouTube, through Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is that you find yourself getting distracted with. You need to stop trying to find the next golden strategy, the next 90% to 100% win rate, the next 1 to 37 risk to reward ratio. Just ignore all of it. You just need to ignore all of it. I just want you to get on the chart. I don't want you to learn a darn thing. I don't want you to get so bogged down with learning concepts and ideas that you fail to do the simple thing. Just get on a chart. Zoom out until it looks so painfully obvious that price has bounced from one area to another. Then, once you have all that in mind, I want you to just wait and see what happens when price gets back to that area you saw before. Once again, that's all I really want you to do. I want you to be patient and learn this stuff. There's not much to it. Zoom out, find where price has bounced before, and then see what happens when price gets back to that area. Then I want you to mark it up with a position tool. Just put your stop, the red part of that position tool, a little bit beyond the zone that you might think price will bounce at, and just go for a 1-to-1. And then you're just going to take that information, you're going to annotate it somewhere, whether that's a Google spreadsheet, a piece of paper, keep, notes. It doesn't really matter. Just annotate it somewhere that you're going to be able to go back and review time and time again. And I want you to do this over and over again until you get to the point where you can start feeling when you believe trades are going to work out and when they won't. Then you'll no longer need to be scrolling through Facebook, through YouTube, through everything like that, trying to find that perfect strategy. You will have developed your own strategy that is perfect for you.